Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are answering one of the biggest questions every coding beginner asks, which is the best language to learn DSA, C++, Python or Java. But before we dive in, let's quickly break down what DSA actually means. So DSA stands for Data Structure and Algorithm. A data structure is a way of organizing and storing data, like arrays, stack, queue or trees, so we can use it efficiently. An algorithm is a step-by-step method or a process used to solve a problem, so it is a process. Together, data structure and algorithm is about finding efficient ways to store and retrieve data, to perform operations on data, and to solve specific problems. Whether you are preparing for interviews, doing competitive programming, or just starting out, this video will help you choose the right language for your journey. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this helpful. Before we jump in, let's be clear. DSA is about logic, not language. But the language you choose does impact how fast you learn, how deep you understand the concepts, and how ready you are for real-world challenges. So let's break it down. First up, C++. Why do competitive programmers and top coders swear by it? Because it is fast and it gives you control over memory and performance. And best of all, the standard template library or STL. It gives you built-in tools for almost every data structure, vectors, set, maps, and more. So, the pros are, it is blazingly fast performance, it has deep understanding of how things work under the hood, it is low level, and it's more like a standard in interviews and all. But the downsides are, it has a steeper learning curve, it's more complex than the others, and you have to write more code for simple things. If you want to go hardcore or cracking big tech interviews, C++ is your choice. Next up, Java. Java is the go-to for many companies, especially in backend development and Android. It has the Java collection framework, which gives you strong object-oriented implementation of list, stack, queue, and more. So, it has a clean syntax because of its structured OOP concepts. It is popular in real-world software jobs, and it also has rich community and documentation. The cons will include it is more verbose than Python and slightly slower than C++, but if you are aiming for clean code and interviews at enterprise companies, Java is a solid pick. Python, it is the most beginner-friendly language out there. Want to focus on the logic without having to write 10 lines of code for a simple loop? Then Python it is. It is easy to read and write. It has built-in data types like list, dictionary, set, and it is the fastest way to learn data structure basics. But it is slower in execution compared to the other two, and it has too much abstraction hiding how things work. If you are new and want to grasp DSA concepts quickly, Python is your best friend. So, which one should you choose? It depends on your goal, or if your goal is competitive programming, then C++ is it. But if it's FANG interviews to land them, it is C++ or Java. Rapid learning, then Python. Industry or jobs, then Java. Just for simply academic use Python or Java. Pick the one that fits your goal and background. But remember, it's not about the language, it's about the problem-solving mindset. Okay, so here's my personal take. I started with C++, and I still think it's the best language to learn the DSA and how it works at low level. But if you want a smoother ride into DSA, start with Python to build the logic and then move back to C++ or Java for devs and real-world readiness. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments which language did you start with, and if you got any question about your learning path, drop them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.